Welcome back to our journey through the world of data analytics. This is week 3, and it's time to get our hands dirty with building a robust data pipelines. Our goal this week is to create seamless flow of data that powers analytics. We will start by constructing data pipelines, the backbone of data analytics. These pipelines not only streamline the flow of information, but also make our data analysis efficient and automated. Next, we're stepping into the domain of web services by building a REST API right here in AWS. Using Lambda services and API gateways, we'll harness the power of Python to set up an API that's not just functional, but also scalable. This is where data becomes accessible and your analytics actionable. But we won't stop just at building. Testing is crucial. And for that, we'll use Thunderclient and Postman. It's like a trusted companion that helps ensure that our APIs work as intended by simulating requests and examining the responses without leaving your development environments. Data is precious, and protecting it is not negotiable. That's why we will deep dive into the realm of data privacy and security. You learn the essentials of securing your APIs, implementing authentication mechanisms, and ensuring that your data is shielded in the real world. And to top it off, we will not just learn in theory, we're going to put our knowledge to test with a real world scenario. You will directly engage with APIs hands-on, applying these concepts we've discussed with a live data environment. Let's begin.